Hello everybody. So this is week 6 class discussion, and so a topic from social psychology that stands out, likely to inform your professional interactions in the future. So I chose attitudes and persuasions, just because if I continue to work in the school district setting with kids, which very likely I'll probably continue to do, it seems like we have a lot of different attitudes at different stages in children's lives, and I feel like I do a lot of persuasion throughout the day. I try to be persuasive in, making the good decision, persuading them to keep their hands to themselves. I mean, I don't know. It's, anyway, so I chose those two. And, as I was reading, this week's, I'm trying to find the book. I bookmarked it though. I was very surprised to read about, this was in the Yale Attitude Change Approach, that they were talking about, if somebody was if somebody felt like they had expertise in the subjects, and attractiveness of the speaker. I did not know that. I've never even thought about that before. So, I mean, those are the types of things that I am going to take into consideration when I'm working with these kids, with the youth. I want to make sure that they find me to be a trustworthy person. I want to make sure that they feel like I know what I'm talking about. That they can relate to me, and I want them to find me attractive now, because I need for them to be able to let me persuade them into certain things. So I'm going to remember those things. I really liked that part. And let me get back to my next bookmark. So the industrial organization psychology. So I picked the social dimension of work. And I picked those. I'll post the video that I did over here. But this was to, I liked the part about measuring the job satisfaction, because I feel like that's very important. And the key elements of management and leadership, that to me is very important. If I don't feel like I have a good manager and a good, clear, goal, leadership, what are we doing? Then it makes it really hard for me to get behind that. And so, I'm not aspiring to be a principal. So I will never be the one that is running, the show. However, I was reading in here, let me find it. I'm sorry, this is my next. There was a theory Y and a theory X, and I was kind of reading over those. I feel like the video that I'm going to be posting is not specifically for that, but I watched my video, and when I was doing that, I was thinking, is this the theory X approach or is this a theory Y approach? If it were me in this management and organizational structure, what would I want? I would like the theory Y. I want people to, to feel like they are given responsibility and they have a say. They can give feedback on a process, a policy, hell, maybe even spitball and have them help, to write the policy. Anyway, so I really liked that. And so as I was kind of reading or listening to this little excerpt of the video, those were the types of things that were kind of coming into my mind with it. So I'll post those, and then I'll post the key summary points to that as well. Okay, thank you.